Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DKIM and SPF records for VPS email sending, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your VPS hosting account. Access the domain management or DNS settings for the domain you are using to send emails. Locate the section for DNS records. You will need to verify the existing DKIM and SPF records. First, check for the SPF record. Look for a TXT record that begins with V equals SPF1. This record defines which mail servers are allowed to send email on behalf of your domain. Make sure it includes your VPS IP address or the sending mail server. If you don't have an SPF record, create one. Use the format V equals SPF1 IP for your _IP_ address all. Replace your _IP_ address with the actual IP address of your VPS. Now, let's check for the DKIM record. DKIM adds a digital signature to your emails. Find the DKIM section in your email server settings. You may need to generate a DKIM key first if you haven't done so. Typically, this will give you a public key to add to your DNS records. Create a new TXT record in your DNS settings for DKIM. The name will usually be something like default_domain key followed by your domain name. In the value field, paste the public key generated for DKIM. Save the changes in your DNS settings. Next, test your SPF and DKIM records. Use online tools for DNS lookup to verify your settings. Enter your domain name and select the type of record to check. Review the results for any errors or misconfigurations. Ensure that both records are showing correctly with no syntax issues. If you see errors, go back and make necessary corrections. Once both records are verified, you're ready to send emails more securely. Regularly check your SPF and DKIM records to ensure continued validity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.